Today we are in Whitehouse, Ohio, my wife's hometown, and the town where my brother's mayor. Now today we're going to have to do something a little different than we've been doing. I managed to leave home without my SD cards for my DJI Pocket 3, so I'm using my phone. I'll use that a little bit here as we walk around. But the idea again, all right, Leica Summer Series. We got the Leica Q. We're going to walk around for no more than an hour. We're going to just take pictures and see what we can come up with. All right, so we're starting this little adventure off here in the city park. All right, and then here, what appears to be a pond is actually part of a stone quarry. All right, this side of the road and the other side of the road there's an even bigger one. All right, and this has been here forever, and they got a nice little fountain here in the middle, and then the park itself is over here. All right, turn around here so you can see. Yeah, that, again, place where I used to play baseball. All right, play basketball here and a few other things. But we're gonna walk around the town, see what we come up with. Sorry about the sound, sorry about the video. You just got to go with what you have at this point. But thanks for coming along, everybody. All right, so a couple things. Yesterday was Founders Day here for the village of Whitehouse, and so we came in to see the fireworks and celebrate with the mayor. All right, and of course 4th of July is this weekend as well, so they had fireworks last night for both. I did take some images of that. Don't know if any turned out, but if they do, I will throw them in here so you can see them. That's a good one. Now, like most small towns, they all have, something to commemorate basically when the oldest building or whatever in town. And here's, hopefully you can see that there. That's the Whitehouse log house, roughly 1840. All right, and then see if I can turn this around here. Oops. Bear with me here, folks, as we try to do this with my phone. All right, so all right, across the street, if you remember Waterville, we talked about the First Federal of Delta Bank building, all right, where I used to save money as a kid. Well, here's another branch of that right here in Whitehouse. Whitehouse is a great small town. It does have some history, but nothing like Madison, Indiana. All right, it's a small town, one main street, one main drag. Houses and stuff off of it. The school over here, which I just took an image of. That is not where my wife went to elementary school. That building has been torn down and the new one's been built, which is what I just took a picture of. All right, which will be in here in the pictures as we go through. All right, now the interesting story there is the old building that was there. We used to play volleyball there on Tuesday nights, all right, with a bunch of friends after we got married, all right, and so we would come up on Tuesday nights, play volleyball. When we were done, we'd come up the street here to a bar. At that time, the name of the bar was Rumors. The Rumors no longer exists, but that bar was quarter pitcher night. Yes, and I'm serious when I say you could get a pitcher of beer for a quarter. All right, so we'd come up there and have beers, and then we got tired of drinking beer. We'd walk up the street to a place called the Whitehouse Inn, which I'll get a picture of here eventually as we get to that end of the street. All right, and there they had 2 tacos, and they were literally as big as your head, for $2.25. So that would be our Tuesday nights: volleyball, quarter pitcher night, and then tacos. So, and here, not necessarily something a place you want to remember, but I have to remember it. This is Pioneer Funeral Home. This is where my mother-in-law's funeral was held, and of course my cousin who left me the 93 S10, his funeral was here. So I've been here a few times. My good friend Tom Smith, who grew up in this town as well, passed away in 2020, had cancer. His funeral was here as well. So, God, those are the kind of memories I wish I didn't have. So, all right, let's keep walking down the street. Alright, so across the street here is a place called The Buzz and the Party Store. Now, if you look at this building, alright, where this is at, it's obviously been done over a few times. The Buzz is a little family restaurant run by a family friend. Alright, the Party Store's been here forever. They have great pizza. Alright, if you ever were looking for pizza in Whitehouse, they've always got good pizza to, as long as I can remember, we were having pizzas when I was, in high school for sure. But anyway, the importance here of this building is that it wasn't always what you see. You go way back, my earliest memories of this was a car dealership, all right, called Don Scott's. And when they built a bigger building outside of town and moved outside of town, then this transitioned over the years into what it is. All right, so the Buzz is a good place to come for breakfast, all right, and lunch. It's a nice little place. And then over here, as we walk down the street, that little gas station over there, there's a software company or something to that extent that bought that building and restored it to look like the old gas station that it was originally way back, in the early 1900s. 1900, 1920, 1930. All right. The significance of this for me is my friend Tom Smith worked here. All right. And he never got a chance to see this. So take an image of that. And then here, like most small towns, like we talked about in Walton, there's a memorial, all right, for different wars, different people here who fought in those wars. All right. Again, Whitehouse isn't really much different than any other small town, so we'll capture an image there of that, or here is that as well. Alright, so here in the middle of town, there used to be a train track, which I remember when the train tracks were here and trains would come through. Alright, today it's just a bike path. Alright, they've taken the railroad track out and made it into a bike path. There you can see as it goes that way. Or as it goes that way. Alright, and then you got the General's Ice Cream there. And then here on the other side of the street, which is Cycle Works bicycles and fitness. That used to be a hardware store, and I remember when it caught fire, and they didn't have fire hydrants and things here at the time, so they had to pull water from the pond we were at here in the beginning of this video, bring it up here, and they filled like a big pool, and they would use that to fight the fire in that building. That was a long time ago, but I do remember it. Alright, so this is the Whitehouse Inn. And this is where we used to come and get tacos for $2.25. Today it's a fine steakhouse known for its prime rib, and people come from all over Northwest Ohio to eat here. They just do. Alright, and then up the street here, alright, is a building that today is a distillery. Alright, I can't remember the name. Adventure, I think it is. Distillery or something like that. And it is, originally was the Ohio Citizens Bank building where basically everybody around here that I know, at least my parents, everybody else, banked at. My sister-in-law worked here for years. Alright, I don't remember how many, but a lot. Alright, so we'll turn the camera on here so you can see that. Been in there since they changed it over to a distillery. It's actually pretty neat. They still got the vault and everything else in here. Adventure Distillery, or spirits and distilling. That's it. All right, and then across the street here, which I'm going to get a picture of this as soon as we finish talking. Used to be Miller's store, meat market, whatever. Just a place you go in Frank would have good food, good meat, good everything you could buy to take home and make something for dinner. Today it's a pizza place, but that's what it is. So, all right, and then across the street here, I don't know how well you can see it with the sun and light we got. This white building, all right, which I'll stay here for a second. The white building over here, the Whitehouse Motors, that used to be Ohio service station, and there was actually pumps here just on the side of the street. You could basically make a right here at this stop sign and turn around and just pull in and get some gas, and they work on cars. They still work on cars and everything here today, but they don't have, you know, the gas pumps like they used to. And then on this end here was, the far end here was actually a auto parts shop, and that's gone. So sorry about the noise, but there is a little bit of traffic here early in the morning. So get a couple images here and then we'll move on. Alright, excuse me for that. Anyway, I couldn't come to Whitehouse, do a photo walk around without finishing it here at a place where my wife and I met back in the early 80s. Alright, and that would be Anthony Wayne High School. Alright, which is right here. Doesn't look much like what it did when I went here. The school's probably twice the size of what it was when we were here. The second story that we have here didn't exist when I went to school here. And basically what the difference was, you had the high school here. You got a building down here. I don't know if you can see it. You got two of them. All right. And when we were younger, my wife and I, the farthest building down there was 5th, 6th, and 7th grade. And then 8th and 9th was in that building, and then the rest was here. All right, today it's different than that because it's 5th and 6th, 7th and 8th, and high school. All right, that's why they doubled the size of it. But all year long, we used to have to go back and forth between those two buildings. We literally would do it. So I could probably spend an hour just right here at this particular place, just photographing different things and reliving old memories, which I'm not going to do. Don't want to bore you with all that, but especially since I'm using my phone. But there's nothing ever wrong with doing a nice walk back through your history, all right, and reliving some old moments in your mind. And I do want to mention one as I walk here. Actually, I'll mention two as I walk here. All right, this corner here turning into this street. All right, that's the street that where I was driving my dad's Gremlin, and it got stuck in between gears as I was turning, and the clutch exploded. Which my dad never believed, and I got in a whole bunch of trouble for something that really I wasn't doing. I wasn't racing or anything. And then here, it's not here today, all right, along this street, there used to be some logs, all right, and then at the end of the day, because the student parking lot's back over here behind the gymnasium, at the end of the day, our assistant principal, Mr. Slycouse, would come out and he would stand with his foot up on one of those logs and he'd have his legal pad, and he would watch you as you left. All right, as you left to go wherever you were going, he would watch you and he would make notes. And a couple times a year, a bunch of the guys would take and dress up just like him, and they would stand in a row just like him doing that. And it was always comical. He liked that because but it was funny to watch because he'd always dressed in plaid and all kinds of crazy stuff. You see, 8 or 9 guys standing there all dressed like him with notepads doing the same thing. So. Just a couple memories. Anyway, I don't want to go on forever, especially since I'm using my phone and I have no idea how good the sound quality is, the image quality is, or anything else. I, just want to say, this will be the last video in the Leica Summer Series. All right, and we'll, kind of move on to the next series, which we'll talk about as we move forward. All right, but just want to say, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Leave me some comments down below what you think of this stuff. Maybe share some of your memories because some of them are pretty comical. Anyway, thanks for coming along, everybody. Till we see you again, stay safe.